Welcome back everyone into the second video of ReactJS. After installing the Node.js onto your machine, next thing you need to do is to install the Node packages globally onto your machine. For that purpose, I will be using the Node Package Manager. But before that, let me explain what does it mean by Node Package Manager. NPM stands for the Node Package Manager, which is basically responsible for putting all the dependencies, APIs, and libraries into one single place so that Node server can find them and manage them accordingly. Most commonly in React.js, we will be needing the Node Package Manager to get all the Node packages into one single folder and then install our application to Node server and to develop the Node programs. Okay, in React.js, all the Node package manager packages are defined into one single file, which is called package.json. If you don't understand about the package.json right now, I encourage you guys to wait for the next videos in which I will be explaining the package.json file in detail. Okay, now to check the version of Node Package Manager onto your machine, open your command prompt by going into Start menu, and after opening the command prompt, just press npm version and it will take a few seconds to bring up the latest npm version. So by seeing the result of these two commands, it means that you have successfully installed the Node server and npm onto your machine. Next step is to install the Node package globally onto your machine. Okay, for that purpose, go into your command prompt again and here press npm install -g create react app and press enter. It will start installing all the Node packages onto your machine, which will be available globally whenever you will be creating the React application. There you go. You have installed the package correctly. If you want to check that your application has successfully been created, you can simply check the version of the app by using this command create react app and here double hyphen and version, and it will tell you guys about the current version of the React app that you are using. Okay, so we are all set to create our first project into React.js. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.